Are you excited to use your boat this year, but nervous about docking? I'm Braden with SKIER'S Marine, and I'm here to give you my process to be more confident when docking. We're starting out here today like we would be if we were getting ready to approach the dock. As you can see, we are probably about 200 foot from the dock. So what we're gonna do, I like to get all of my fenders and my dock lines out before I approach the dock, and go ahead and get my board racks in so that we're not bumping anything or causing any damage to the boat. So we're gonna go ahead and get both of our dock lines and both of our fenders out to get rid of that worry before we get to the dock. Got my fender here. I'm gonna drop it down and pass my rope through the bottom of the cleat. I'm gonna wrap it once around and then do figure eights. Then I'm gonna wrap it one more time just to make sure it's secure as we're docking. All right, so I'm gonna take the dock line on the loop end. I'm gonna pass it down through the cleat. I'm gonna wrap it around the cleat, and then I'm gonna pull tight, and now we're secure and ready to dock. Now, something I recommend is if you can teach some family that you're always going out with, or if you got some friends going out and you can teach them how to put on your fenders and your dock line before you go out, it'll really save you some time. They can go ahead and start getting that prepared for you while you're pulling up to the dock and keep you from getting out of the driver's seat. Now that we're approaching the dock, I've got my fenders out, I've got my dock lines out, and I've gone ahead and pulled my board racks in to prevent any damage to boards or board racks. Next, we're gonna look at the wind and the current. We wanna go in the opposite direction of this wind or current to help slow the boat down and give us more control over it. Two more pieces of information to give you just before we approach. All three of our models, Mastercraft, Moomba, and Super, are all gonna reverse to the right. So what that's gonna mean is, as a beginner, it's gonna be a little bit easier to approach the dock from the right side than it will be the left. Now, my second piece of advice is don't approach the dock faster than you would wanna hit it. As I'm coming in, I never wanna actually give the boat a ton of throttle. All I'm actually doing is bumping it in and out of gear. And that's gonna propel me enough to be able to approach the dock, but not coming at a super high speed. And now we're pulling up so we can tie up our dock lines, and we are docked. This is how we dock our boats here at SKIER'S Marine. We know your boat's an investment to you, so we want to help you be able to protect that investment and be more confident on the water. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at skiersmarine.com.